Hey everyone, in today's quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove Family Link from your Google account, step by step. If you've been restricted by Family Link or just want full control over your account, this is the method you need. First, open your Chrome browser and make sure you're signed into the Google account linked with Family Link. Click on your profile picture at the top right, then select Manage your Google account. This will open your account settings where all the magic happens. On the left side, look for People and Sharing and click on it. Here, you'll see a section called Family. Click on it and you'll see the group you've created along with all its members. If you want to remove someone from the group, just hover over their name and you'll see a Remove or Delete button. Click it and that member will be removed immediately. Now, if you're the owner or manager of the group and want to completely unlink Family Link from your account, hover over your name at the top and you'll see the option to delete the group. Click on it, confirm, and just like that, your Google account will be unlinked from Family Link. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you can regain full control of your account and manage your Google settings freely. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide made it easy for you to remove Family Link without any hassle.